Ever wish you had a free Mac app that could do things for you? I just found a thrilling new AI tool that will leave you speechless. Let's party. You can get Lemon to write awesome prompts for you. Check this out. Press the function key and say something like, act as a mid-journey prompting expert with a wild imagination and a full rack of digital art awards in your office. Add a prompt right here for a wildly obese superhero flying through the air above Detroit while eating a donut. And just like that, you have an awesome prompt. You can either run it the way it is, or you can edit it up a little bit to suit whatever you want. And for this one, we're just gonna press go and see how this looks. And here it is. And if you needed any proof that Midjourney was trained on copyrighted material, here you go. This first one is, let's just say, a little copyrighted. This is a different one, and it followed it pretty good. The crumbs are flying, holding a half-eaten glazed donut. Wow, copyrighted again, but this one, and especially this one, I like this one the best, did a great job. Very imaginative, great prompt. I like it a lot. Now let's try the same thing in ChatGPT. So you're gonna hold on to the function key and you're gonna say, write me a full prompt right here in the prompt bar so that I can get ChatGPT to act as a life coach, but do not include in the prompt to act as a prompt engineer. This prompt needs to help me organize my messy, depressing life and help me get my life together. I'm a total loser. I live at home with my mother and I'm addicted to Doritos. There you go, you got a full prompt right here to help you get your life together. All you have to do now is either edit it or go, and now you're off to the races, just like that. You can also get Lemon to open web pages for you and do things on your behalf on those web pages. So let's check it out. Go to google.com/flights and search for flights for March 2026 from Phoenix to Denver. They have to be nonstop flights though. And just like that, it got everything right. Phoenix to Denver, March 2026, and it even put in nonstop. Very cool. Just imagine the possibilities of having your voice control what you want to see in your next tab. The next one is email. Responding to email sucks. Instead, just use your voice. Instead of responding to an email manually like it's the year 2025, just click the function key and say something like, respond to this email letting him know that I couldn't make it to the meeting because, well, make up some kind of excuse, but make it sound believable. And tell him that the report will be done next week. Maybe. There you go, you have your full email, and you can even set in the preferences exactly how you want Lemon to write your emails or write your notes or write whatever. You can use your voice to tell Lemon whatever preferences you want. And here we go. It basically did exactly what I wanted it to do. Google Sheets is not fun, but it is with Lemon. Let me show you. Press the function key. Write a formula in this cell that tells me how much has been spent on business email in February 2026. And there you go. Right there, we have $54. We have this crazy formula right here. And let's check it out. We got business email, and business email. Let's add them up, and it's 54 and matches the total. It works. So next time you need help with a formula, don't go to ChatGPT or another chatbot window. Just hit the function key and you're good. How about system-wide speech to text? Now, instead of the function key, all you have to do is press the control key, hold it down, start talking. It transcribes it near perfect. Watch this. I just start talking. It types everything. This works system-wide, not one app, anywhere. Screw carpal tunnel syndrome. There you go. A lot quicker than typing. Next up is system-wide app-to-app copy-paste wherever you are. Now check this out. Let's say you're on runtheprompts.com, the most incredible website in the entire world, and you're on the best AI tools page, and you find some awesome AI tools that you want to copy and paste the ones that you care about really quickly over to your text edit notepad. Very easy. Check this out. Copy all of the information about the AI tools that are related to AI videos and paste them. Paste all of that information from this table into a text edit notepad file. There you go. Everything that mentioned video in the tool description has now been pasted right here, ready to go. You didn't have to do anything. You can ask about anything on your screen. Check this out. Look at this guy's stinky batting average. Why would anybody play this guy over Dylan Dingler? And there you go. It's telling you exactly what this guy is good at and why someone might still play him despite his horrible 187 batting average in 2025. Hey, I have nothing against Jake Rogers. This is just an example. He has a really low batting average. I'm sure he would agree with that too. Now check this out. Let's just say you're looking for an apartment in Mexico City and you're seeing square meters. What does that mean? Well, you got a couple choices. You can either go find a meter to square foot calculator, ask ChatGPT, or just press the function key. Square feet. are these two apartments in Mexico City that you see on your screen. The first one is 474 square feet. The second one is 495 square feet, just like that. Awesome, right? Now get your ass back to work. For more thrilling AI strategies you won't find anywhere else, be sure to subscribe. Also, like and comment on this video and tell me what you're doing with HeyLemon AI. Until next time, remember to run the prompts and prompt the planet.